growing up in Frankston town. We're the ones who won't let you down. Electrical and air conditioning too. Call us now, we'll come through. Full 663400. That's the number to dial. We're your friendly local electrician with a smile, keeping you cool with AC that's supreme. Frankston Power, living the dream. Frankston Power, we're here for you. Electrical and AC, we know what to do. Call us anytime, we'll be there right away. Frankston Power, lighting up your day. Town, we're the ones who won't let you down. Electrical and air conditioning too. Call us now, we'll come through. We'll come through. 04016683500. That's number to dial. We're your friendly local electrician.